After learning this recipe, I only want to eat pasta this way. To begin, we'll put 7 ounces of pasta in a pot with hot water, add salt, and cook the pasta. Let's move it to a dish. Add olive oil and mix. Let's chop half a yellow bell pepper, half a green bell pepper, and 1 apple. Then we'll squeeze half a lime over the apple. Let's move the ingredients to a bowl. We'll chop 1 cucumber, and 1/4 of a tomato. Let's add 1 cup of corn and mix. In a bowl, we'll put 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato extract, 1 tablespoon of mustard, salt, and pepper. Let's whisk everything. Now we'll add the ingredients to the pasta. Mix. And pour the dressing. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Let's add 1 can of tuna. And our delicious recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.